the next time somebody Googles Notary Near Me, you want to be the notary that pops up #1 in that Google search result. And how do you do it? I'm going to teach it in this video. So Google will not say this publicly, but Google is at war with Yelp. And why? Because everybody knows that Google is the king of search, but everybody also knows that Yelp is the king of localized search results. Think about it. You want a good restaurant, where do you go? You go to Yelp. You want a good car detailer, where do you go? You go to Yelp. You want a good local massage therapist, where do you go? You go to Yelp. So Google has been trying to figure out how do we capitalize on those local search results. And their answer has been something that was used to called Google My Business. But now they're going all in. They've changed the name. It's called Google Business Profile. They are incentivizing local businesses to create their own Google Business Profile by giving them #1 status in Google search results locally. This is insane. You used to have a degree in search engine optimizations to show up #1 in search results, but not right now. Right now, they're prioritizing local businesses in search results for free. So you don't need to pay for any paid ads to be the #1 person who pops up when someone types in Notary Near Me. You just got to understand how to build out a Google Business Profile. This is absolutely free right now. This is insane. Frankly, I don't know how much longer Google is going to do it, but who cares? Because it's free right now. So my tip to you is make sure you create a Google Business Profile. It is free. There's a bunch of tips and tricks on how to do it all over the internet. My couple biggest hacks is completely fill out your Google Business Profile. You need a website, you need contact information, you need email address, you need localized offices to make sure that Google knows where to put you in the localized search results. This is the best thing ever to happen in local businesses and notaries. So as a notary public, get a Google Business Profile today so you can get in the search results when somebody types in Notary Near Me. This is the best tip I can give you to create more business and more revenue for your notary business. Is by taking advantage of Google's war with Yelp. They want to be the #1 spot for anything local, so they are prioritizing these for free. Now, Google Business Profiles will obviously be prioritized based on how well you're filling them out, based on the information you're giving Google to use their algorithms to find you. So that's why I am so excited to announce that we are covering how to build out a Google Business Profile at this year's Loan Signing System Conference. This is going to be one panel amongst many, but there is nobody better to teach Google Business Profiles than me. My Google Business Profile is amazingly abundant. I'm gonna teach you everything on what I do to fill it out. I'm gonna bring in experts on Google Business Profiles and teaching you how to build the world's best Google Business Profile specifically for notaries. There are some other trainers doing this as we speak. They are charging hundreds of dollars for the Google Business Profile course. This is included with all the other panels this year's conference, and this live streaming starts at $139. Absolutely insane. So not only are you gonna get a Google My Business Profile training directly from me, again, I have millions of visitors to my website, which is part of what Google Business Profile ranks. So I'm gonna teach you at this year's conference how to build out a website specifically for notaries, how to use blogs and SEO tips and tricks to rank your website higher. If your website is ranked higher, then Google Business Profile will rank your business profile higher. And all of this is included this year. So make sure you jump on August 2nd at 10 a.m. Tickets are going sale to the public. 750 live streaming tickets available. Again, this is just the tip of the iceberg that's gonna be covered. And the packages start at $139. That is it. There are Google Business Profile courses that go for hundreds of dollars. And I would argue that I am the best expert within the notary niche on how to drive traffic to websites and Google My Business, because I get so much traffic to my website, which again is one of the things Google Business Profiles actually ranks. $139 is the starting price. This is absolutely insane. What you need to understand is SEO and Google Business Profile go hand in hand. I'm teaching it all. This is crazy. So make sure you tap the link in my bio. Make sure you tap the link down below to get access to the link that's going to go on sale August 2nd, 10 a.m. This is going to be insane. This Loan Signing System Conference is going to cover signing agent marketing, general notary, RON, e-closings, in-person electronic notifications, wealth management for notaries, signing agent marketing, bringing on signing service owners. Every single thing that you want as a notary public or a notary signing agent will be covered, and this is all live streamed for $139 starting. This is absolutely insane. The best tip I can give you in this video, start your Google business profile today. Let's go.